We all want to feel 25 again. Lisa Innenbach, tell them how they can do that and receive a great deal at the same time.
Absolutely. It's half off your consultation if you call or go online today. That does include 2 appointments, a lab draw, and then a week later, a 1-hour analysis of your lab work. It's normally $150. Today it's $75. Go to 25again.com/wave3. It expires at midnight. Leave a message. The phones get really busy. We will call you back if you have questions, and we will extend the offer.
All right, we've got about a minute and a half or so here, so I wanted to talk a little bit about something that you don't run from, but we get a lot of questions about, and it's cost. So Tiffany is here. You can tell us a little bit. I know it's individual, but a basic cost and a range, maybe.
You know, it's hard to put a price on your health, but a lot of people do. They'd rather maybe go through Starbucks and spend $4 or $5 on a coffee every day than spend $1.99 a month on their health. But that's what it is. It's a program. We put you in a program. We're allowed to write any of the prescriptions for you. You can turn in some stuff to the insurance. People always ask that. We don't know if it's going to be covered or not. But and then your prescriptions, of course, you can turn into insurance. So Tiffany has her own story on cost.
Yeah, well, I live by myself, so life is expensive when you're on your own. So I pay my own car payment, insurance, phone, gas, all that stuff. And it is more than affordable. I can tell you from personal experience, if you cut out all the junk, you know, the Starbucks coffees, if you go out to dinner 2 times a week and you have drinks and dessert and all that stuff, I added that up in 1 month. This program is still $200 cheaper than all of that unnecessary spending.
There we go.
So I pay the Kentucky insurance rates, come on, those are ridiculous. So I pay all of that, all of it, rent, all of it.
And what's the cost of well-being and feeling like you can crush the world, conquer the world?
Just completely priceless. It's so affordable if you make it.
Right.
All right, and before we go to, real quickly, pharmacy. You have your own pharmacy that delivered to your door.
New Vitalis.
It's all about convenience, right?
Absolutely. If you come into your appointment and you get there before 3 o'clock, they will write all your prescriptions, and it'll be at your door the very next day. If it's after 3 o'clock, it'll be 2 days. But it is wonderful service. People are having really great results with it, and we're just so proud to be a part of that.
All right, and there's a location near you. It's all about convenience. They make it easy for you. You don't have time to run around and get prescriptions. There's one of the locations, too, or many of the locations. You're opening up a new store in E-Town now, too.
Absolutely,
as well, right?
Yes. We're looking at E-Town. Just looked at some space today. So if you say it's not convenient for you, then I don't know what to tell you. I mean, we have all these locations, and we have a support team that works with us as well. We're in Lexington. We're in Cincinnati. We're growing, and we are opening up new clinics every time we reach a patient maximum because, again, we want to spend that time with you. We want to make sure that we are taking very good care of you. That's why we're not insurance-based. We don't want to be told you have 5 minutes with your patients and you have to see 60 or 70 a day.
There we go. Very well said. I want to thank you again, Tiffany, for coming on.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
It's a great story. Continued success to you. Keep moving in a positive direction. I know you will. Lisa, always a pleasure.
Great to see you again.
It was the educational portion of the show. I enjoyed every minute of it. Hopefully you did too. Don't forget, take advantage of that special. 25 again. Get that energy back. Sleep well. All of the things that you need in life. We'll be here tomorrow. Get out there and enjoy the day, and we'll see you tomorrow right here on Wave 3 Listens Live.